Hi everyone and welcome back. So today we are going to discuss about sign module in Odoo. So in Odoo, sign module is a very fast and convenient way to send documents, sign them and approve documents. And there are different kinds of documents. Especially in the case of recruitment, there is a contract created for the persons that are hired, and that contract need to be signed by the individuals. So for that it is better to use digital signature. And also in the case of rendering some items, an agreement may be created between the customers and company, and that need to be signed. So it is a very best way to use this sign module to sign those documents. So let us see what happens inside this module. So to sign a document, you can choose some templates. Here you can see some of the documents, and you can send this document or sign now itself. You can also see the date and time, and you can add those to favorites. Okay, under my templates, these are the templates of Michelle Admin. Then archived can be viewed. Okay, then can upload a PDF template. Okay, so this is a order, that is a rental order. It's an agreement where a sign need to be created for this. So we can add initials here, and which is for company. Then we can also add some signature, and it need to be signed by customer. Let me give it as customer, and one more can be added. Let it be company. Validate it. Then you can send this one. Okay, it can be sent to company. Okay, Assure Interior, and the customer is Akshay, and copy to person. You can give it and give some message and send it. So you can see Assure Interior company and Akshay need to sign this document. Okay, from here itself we can sign it. Company, Assure Interior, and customer is sign now. If you click sign now, you can sign that document now itself. So just click to start it, and you can give some initials. Automatically will load some file. I'm just drawing something. Okay, it can be signature also, so I'm just clearing it. Then next, if you click next thing, you can see which is need to be signed by Assure Interior company, and it is essential to be signed by that person. Here you can see your signature has been saved because we validated, and next signature is Akshay. So we will send you this document by email once everyone has signed. So next signature is need to be signed by the customer. Here, this is auto generated. You can adopt and sign. So validate and send the complete document. Then you can see thank you, your signature has been saved. We will let you know by email once everyone has signed. So return templates. So that document is signed by customer and the company. So in this way we can sign the document. From here also we can send the request and sign. Then Under signatures, you can see the fully signed documents, and requested signature requests can be seen, and all the signatures requests that are cancelled also can be seen. From here you can create the signature request, and it will be viewed under this signatures. Under configuration, you can see also the roles, signature item role that we have seen while sending the request and signature creation, but some roles are displayed, like who need to sign or who need to give the initials, whether it's company, employee or customer. So these are that items, and we can also create new signature item. So in this way digitally we can sign documents. So that's all about this module, and thanks for watching.
If you are interested in knowing more about this or looking for any Odoo implementation or customization in your business, drop your request to info@cybrosys.com.